Hey travelers, welcome back to the Journeys of Peace. Today we're diving into something that should make your travel easier but often doesn't. Yep, we're talking about viral TikTok and YouTube travel hacks that are supposed to be genius, but instead just get you weird looks from TSA, annoyed fellow passengers, or maybe even kicked off your flight. So grab your neck pillow and that half-smashed granola bar from the bottom of your carry-on. Let's go through the viral advice you should definitely ignore when flying. First up, the infamous travel pillow hack. You've seen it. People stuffing clothes into a neck pillowcase or a regular pillowcase to avoid paying for a carry-on. Sure, it's clever. But here's the problem. Airlines have caught on. A lot of them now consider it a personal item once they realize it's not actually a pillow. So when you try to strut onto the plane with your overstuffed memory foam that's actually 3 pairs of jeans and your mom's sweater, you might just end up gate-checking it or tossing stuff in the trash. Moral of the story, airlines are not stupid. If it walks like a carry-on and talks like a carry-on, it's getting charged like one. Let's talk about the one-bag-only trend, where people brag about traveling for 2 weeks with just a personal item the size of a lunchbox. Good for you. But here's the catch. These videos never show you sweating while digging through your bag in front of the gate agent who's saying, "Sir, that's not going to fit under the seat." Also, half the time, their minimalist packing means they're re-wearing clothes into oblivion or mooching off their travel buddy's luggage. It's not a flex if you're borrowing someone else's deodorant by day 2. Next up, the classic wear all your clothes to avoid baggage fees trick. On TikTok, it looks hilarious. People waddling through security in 14 layers like they're preparing for a snowstorm in Antarctica. But let's be real. TSA will pull you aside. You'll be sweating like crazy, and you might get flagged for suspicious behavior. Also, do you really want to strip down half your wardrobe just to get through security? Save yourself the heat stroke and just pack smart. One trend that keeps popping up: fixing broken luggage handles or zippers with duct tape or zip ties. In theory, resourceful. In reality, TSA hates it. Why? Because they may need to inspect your bag. And if it's sealed up like Fort Knox with tape and zip ties, guess who's getting searched extra thoroughly? Pro tip: invest in a real luggage repair or just borrow a bag from a friend. This one's wild. People online saying you don't need to show up early because flights don't leave without you. Yes, they do. Arriving 15 minutes before boarding like it's a city bus is a quick way to miss your flight and ruin everyone else's mood. Airports are not vibes-only zones. They're systems, with security lines and boarding groups and gate changes. This isn't Uber. There's no 5 more minutes button when you're stuck in traffic on the way to the airport. Let's talk challenges. We've seen people do the try to get upgraded for free using a fake story challenge. First off, don't lie to gate agents. They've heard everything. Grandma's funeral, the fake honeymoon, they've been through it. Also, filming it for content? Bad look. And let's not forget the last to board wins challenge, where people intentionally wait till the end. Spoiler alert, your bag is probably going in the belly of the plane, if it makes it at all. Not all bad travel hacks are funny. Some are just dangerous. Like the take melatonin and chug wine advice to sleep better on flights. Please don't. Mixing meds and alcohol at 35,000 feet is a recipe for disaster, and sometimes for being medically removed after landing. Or the hang out in the bathroom to avoid seatmates trend? Yeah, flight attendants definitely notice. And guess what's not cool in post-2020 air travel? Acting sketchy near the bathroom for 30 minutes. Thank you for watching.